Welcome to your favourite club. The Psycho Club. Welcome to your favourite club.
Not sure. How about that?
Only one rule
It smells
applies.
like fish guts.
For the season, you get kicked out.
Clearly red tide. Got a pretty bad zebra mussel infestation, probably. Probably isn't awesome for the fish health right now. Okay, no wasting on that or letting anyone see that secret Illuminati. So the Illuminati has secret power outlets everywhere, different codes of conduct, different places to be. Okay, time's up. The Illuminati has special places where they wash their fish out. It's a Pisces thing, you wouldn't get it.
The Psycho Club.
The Psycho Club. Wait a minute, are you going this way or are you going to go the longer way? Longer. Longer. All the way. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go up on the ledge. Whoop. There you go.
I was sliding
Textbook.
on my feet.
That was classic. A little bit. Just as long as,
Sliding on my feet.
just as long as no one noticed, except the video, so we can have a little surprise. More of a surprise. Whoa, it's hard to get down here. This is so muddy, but you're always able to go through here. It's a lot of bird poop too. Watch out, avoid the bird poop too, no? Oh, I'm not gonna let this now. Why do I? Good Cruz, there's like a stream that you're gonna have to go through. Come on, Cruz. They're feeding the ducks or something? Helmet thing. What is it? What's the missing thing? I need a hat. I'm gonna balance it out. Should be easy. Okay, he's going through some heavy mud here. Oh! I know you're in a creek right now. Traverse this way, Cruz. Cruz, go at it on the flat way, not straight up. There you go, you're the mud master. Tree Shock Mud Master. The baby G Mud Master. Never had the opportunity to get in a plane crash, but if we go right in front of the propeller, there's a chance. There's a chance we can get in a plane crash. Oh, nice. Double plane crash. Hello. Uh-oh. We're about to take off. No patience for that, though. You want to see him take off? He's about to take off. He's about to. Oh, there it goes. Let's go get people to sign our petition against drones and airplanes only. Water time. Good thing I had the cheese. Thank God I had that cheese. Up. Perfect. You didn't lean on me as much. Got a little bit of the boost and we're ready to go. He's about to pull me, then I'll pull him slow. There's a motor on this. Okay, go by yourself. Slow down. So I can go around. Are you getting tired? Does that mean we just need to take it easy? Do you want the helmet cam? Oh, still hungry? Okay, let's get maybe the pizza we should have got last night. We can call it in and then go straight there on the boards. Okay, pull me up. You gotta let go for the tangle. This is like if you could switch to elevated for 2 seconds, it'd be perfect. It's like Sonic and Tails. There was a Sonic and Tails where they were linked together like this in the game. Okay, do you need to go that way or are you good?
Yeah, and then one goes faster than the other and then it drags.
Well, he kind of hooks them on, and then the other one goes fast, and then the other one goes slow. I don't know, he doesn't drag them too much. He kind of just carried him around. He helped him get more rings. I'll go anywhere with you. Okay, slow down. I'm gonna go off this thing. Random high-speed encounter. Okay, you go off the big jump. Whoops. Oh, you got muddied on the duck spot. Poor guy. Muddied.